Screen also visible. These are the two questions. Please answer me, ma'am. Yeah. Very good, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you are feeling like that anyone is voice or volume problem, insert your headset. Insert your headset. That is the best thing, first of all. And increase your volume. Increase your volume. Increase your volume also. And today's session name is LangGraph. LangGraph. Session name is LangGraph. And we'll conduct a multiple sessions. It's not only one session. We Naresh IT planned multiple sessions on LangGraph. First of all, myself is Omkar Nalagoni, currently working as the lead data scientist and generative AI specialist in one of the leading IT company. I have total 13 plus years of experience. Also, I am a lead data science and AI trainer in Naresh IT. So many people knows me, and some people are new here. That's why I just introduce myself. So let's jump into the LangGraph. Before going to the LangGraph, there are so many things are going on inside the world, right? It started all in like 2021 onwards. Like in 2021 onwards, there is a new technology generated that is called GenAI, generative AI. So before also AI is there, then generative AI technology is there. So generative AI technology, many people know about that, how ChatGPT is working. Whenever you are asking a question, it is giving the answer. The slowly developments are working. Then people are learning about the prompt engineering. Then people are learning about the LangChain framework. Then people are started learning about the RAG applications, regenerative retrieval augmented generation, RAG applications. So next, people have started thinking about that. How about AI agents? The AI about agents. What is the meaning of agents here? Can anyone knows? My volume is up, ma. My volume is full. Okay, my volume is full. Many people are good. Yeah, it's a kind of a mediator giving the support to any need. Artificial intelligence is not an AI agent. Small individual programs is not an AI agent. Suppose Sunil Singh and Satya, like you told some answers, good answers, and that is, and if you enlarge your answers, think a real-time scenario. The real-time scenario, think about that. Suppose you want to go to Paris. The use cases, you want to go to Paris for a trip. You want to go to Paris for a trip. Now, how can you proceed that? How can you proceed generally? Can anyone tell me? How can you people proceed generally? First, we will make our plan, right? We will make our plan. That is, what is where I am going, where is the place I am going, and what is the budget? Budget. And third one is, what is the date? And fourth one is, how many days will stay? Correct? That is step number one. First, we will decide ourselves. Step number one. Then I will go to the make my trip. I will contact to the make my trip. because I'm a first time user. I did not went to the before Paris. So it is better I will go to the some agent. And who is that agent here? Make my trip or go be I go. Okay. Make my trip, or go I be go. So we are saying that they will plan what they will do. They will plan our travel things, They will plan our travel things. That's why we can say them as travel planner. What we can say? Travel planner. Yes or no? Travel planner. Now, what is the step three? What they will do? The step three, suppose they are doing that, how you will travel. Suppose they will book the flights first. Flight search. First, they will do flight search. Then they will do step four. Step four, after you reach to Paris, you need to stay. So then they will do hotel search. Then they will do hotel search. After step five, and then they will do, there is a some local guide is there. Local guide. We can call in the English term itinerary. Itinerary planner is there. Itinerary planner Itinerary planner is there. He will say that, sir, you need to go to this place and you need to come to that place, like that you will do. Finally, there is a one more step is there. There is a, is that feasibility available or not? That's called some evaluation also available. These all things are works or not works. These are the general Navi steps. Yes or no, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? Can you please confirm the chat, ma? Yes or no? Yes, correct, right? These are the steps. Now here, generally, this all the tasks before that a human being does. A human being does. Now, how about all the tasks a AI will do? The AI will do all the tasks. Your step number two, and your step number three, and step number four, and step number five. Everything is does by AI, and that is called what man now. Instead of a human being as an agent, instead instead of a instead of a human being as agent instead of a human being as agent, so it is now we are making a agentic AI agent, that is called a new technique called agentic AI. Beautiful, no? That is. So don't think like that. These kind of people are jobs are lost. Okay, don't think like that. Job losing. AI will be always create a new jobs. Don't think like that perspective. So that's a beautiful technology, and everything will do that. In order to do that, definitely we need some frameworks, and that framework is one is, and that one framework is called LangGraph framework. LangGraph framework. LangGraph framework. Understood now? What is the meaning of LangGraph means? Everyone? That is called LangGraph framework. So LangGraph is developed by a LangChain company. That is developed by LangChain. Developed by LangChain. Developed by LangChain. So it is the framework to allow us to the develop a multi-agent. The name itself is the graph is there, man. So it is a kind of a graphical flow. It is a graphical flow. It is a graphical flow. Graphical flow. Graphical way of representation. Graphical way of representation. That's why the name is called LangGraph. And here, whenever you see the graphs, with childhood we learn two kind of graphs. One is cyclic graphs. One is cyclic graphs. Another one is acyclic graphs. Acyclic graphs. Acyclic graphs. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of cyclic graph meaning? Cyclic graphs. What is the meaning of cyclic graphs? Closed loops. Cycle exists. Yeah. Cycles forms in cyclic graph. This planner ChatGPT also make. Very good question. So this question for Anshu, okay? This question for Anshu. Anshu, do you think is ChatGPT book my flight? ChatGPT book my flight? No, right? But agentic AI will book. But agentic AI framework can book. Because you will add external tools. You will add not only LLM model, you will add some external tool also you will add here. That's why it's called agentic framework. Getting? Yeah. ChatGPT only will search for you. Here we will add the tools. If you want to send a meeting invitation, we want to send a meeting invitation to the email ID. We want to send a WhatsApp message. That ChatGPT will not do, but who will do? Agentic AI framework will do. That's why agentic AI. It's same like exactly human being. Okay, that is. That is because of external tool only. Now ChatGPT also little AI agent becoming. That is nowadays improvement. Yes. Nowadays they are making that ChatGPT also agentic framework. Agentic framework. Because they will add external tools. They will add the external tools. Suppose imagine that if you want to search, the scorecard today, where you will go? Scorecard today of cricket match of scorecard. You will go to Google or not? Google search or not? And that Google search is what? Is applying to your brain. Then you are getting what? Response. Now Google search is nothing but a tool, external tool. Now your brain nothing but what? LLM model. Nothing but AI. Artificial intelligence. Giving what? Response. Same as it is. Like this we discussed many times in our class, right? Same way. Like that. Same way we discussed many times in the class. Now anything. Suppose you want to go to share market price, where you will go? So money control, suppose. Money control you want to go. Money control is what? External tools. Plus again your brain. Again your brain. And again it is called what? Response. Not only searching. Not only searching. And you can book that also. You can booking also. Booking also possible. That's why agentic search. Clear, Amma? Everyone? Let's focus on this. Let's focus on these searches. First, I am the user here. I am the user here. I am the user. Then my travel planner agent. Make my trip. Then I'm going to the flight search. I'm going to the flight search. I'm going to the hotel search. I'm going to the hotel search. Then I'm going to the alternative planner. Alternative planner. Then I'm going to the evaluator. Now this is the first step. The step number one. Step number one. This is called what? Ma? User. I am you. That's called user. User. Okay. And who is this ma? And this is travel planner. Make my trip. Make my trip. MMT. And that what there's one person is called flight search. Flight search. Flight search they are doing. There's another person is doing that hotel search. Hotel search. Hotel bookings. Hotel bookings. Another plan is that local guide. Local guide. Itinerary planner. Last finally what you are doing? Evaluate. Evaluate. Now your connections are happened. So the connections are happened. First to another connection. Second to another connection. Second to another connection. And third to another connection. And here also connection. And this only sequential process called acyclic. What is called ma? Acyclic. You can say acyclic. Acyclic. No turning back, but Turning back is important or not important? I want to discuss with this guy, right? The user will always discuss with what? The users will always discuss with flight search guy. Is that possible? To and fro should application should happen. To and fro should application should happen. I need to talk with flight search. I need to talk with hotel search. The to and fro application should be possible. Then only I can able to plan my trip very well, right? If everyone is not talking with me again, then that is my plan will flop. Everyone should talk with me. Okay, Omkar sir, this is the flight, this is the time. So I will agree based on my time. They will search the hotel bookings. Okay, Omkar sir, this is the 3-star hotel, this is the 4-star hotel, this is the near to the airport, this is near to the railway station. Can I book this? That guy should talk with me or not? That is called what, ma? Cyclic graph. That is called what, ma? Cyclic graph. Now, LangChain framework is very, very famous to create the cyclic graphs. LangChain is very, very famous, and LangGraph is very, very famous to create the cyclic graph. LangGraph is able to create cyclic graph. Cyclic means feedback connections, feedback loops very well. That's why this is the very, very important in the difference between the other frameworks and compared to the LangGraph framework. Is that clear? Why we are going to enter LangGraph? Clear, ma'am? Please confirm the chat. Response is very, very important because the interactive session. Super. Now here, everyone is one agent, ma'am. Everyone is one agent. One flight guy will only book the flights. Hotel guy book only the hotel guy. This is actually one person in the real time. In the real time, this is one person. This is one person. This is one person real time. One human being. It is also one person. It is also one person. And here also one person will be there. These all are one persons. Now each and every person with replace with what? One agent. And everyone is one agent now. Everyone is one agent. This is also one agent. And this is also one agent. Here also one agent. Here also one agent. These all are agents. All are human beings before. Now agents. It is also one agent. And it is also one agent. Here also one agent. Here also one agent. Here also one agent. And here also one agent. All are agents. So this is called multi-agent system. So LangGraph supports multi-agent systems, not only single agent. Multiple agents can collaborate. Multiple agents can collaborate. That is the beauty of the agents. Multi-agents can collaborate. Now this flight search well guy, we will upload the flight information, all the flight information available this guy, this LLM model. Imagine it is a chat GPT. Imagine it is a chat GPT here. This is a one model, agent model, that's called chat GPT. Chat GPT plus flight details. Flight details plus booking details, email details, plus that is which flight Indigo you are preparing. Indigo, and everything will be available. This is how exactly a human being will do the same thing will get done by AI also. Here also one agent. So that's why it's called multi-agent system. So it can be the create feedback loops. It can create multi-agents groups. Now, in order to book the flight, definitely I need to access external tools or not. I can connect with external tools also. So I can connect with external tools also possible. So external tools also possible. External tools, LLM model connections, one agent to another agent, one agent to another agent, one agent to another agent. The chaining also possible. Another agent, the chain process also possible. Chain process. This is all in a single framework we can able to do. That is called what ma? LangGraph. Interesting, right? LangGraph. Ishwar, November 3rd class. So if you are interested into the join to the tomorrow class ma, you can log in into this. If anyone new is there, you can join in this WhatsApp group, then admin will contact you. So I will pause 10 seconds here. I'll pause 10 seconds now. It's a full stack, not only data science, but it's full stack data science and AI, generative AI. Okay. Data science and agentic AI, complete will guide. And everything I only take care of. Chalo. Now tell me, what is the LangGraph can do? Tell me one by one. One by one. First of all, what is the LangGraph? What is the LangGraph? If anyone asks you. Agentic framework. What is called ma? Agentic framework. Okay. Agentic framework. Developed by whom? LangChain. Developed by whom? LangChain. The framework mainly based on what? Graph based. Graph based framework. Now graph means cyclic or acyclic. Both can possible, but mainly useful for what? Cyclic. Cyclic means what ma? Feedback loops. What is ma? Feedback loops. Feedback loops possible. Conversation between the multiple agents. Conversation. Conversation between multiple agents. Multiple agents and error connection. Error correction. Error correction. Go back and you correct the error and iterative improvement. Iterative improvement. Iterative improvement. So that's why this is very, very famous. It is very, very famous. Now you got some idea. Now when you start with Python code, you got more idea now. So ready for Python code now. Sir, SSS batao ma. Very good ma. Chalo, we'll do Python code. But before going to Python code ma, it is very, very important to learn. It is very, very important to learn some notations. Some notations. Because now you come here now. Same story here. Same story. Same story I'm taking here. Now you tell me ma one thing here. In the LangGraph ma, this part we called a state. This called we call a state ma, state. What is called ma? State. State we बोल state. And if this state क्या बोलता? He will provide the information. What is requirement? What is requirement? He will tell that what is his requirement? What is my requirement? Requirement. What's going on in my mind? Simply, what's going on in mind? Like that you can think. What's going on in my mind? What's going on in my mind at the time? I want to go Paris. I want to go Paris. That is coming in mind. That's why it's called a state. Now these people called are nodes. Node. Node 1, node 2, node 2, node 2, node 2, node 3, node 3, node 4, Node 4 will happen. These people are nodes. Clear, Amma? First, what's going on in my mind is called my state graph. Next, everyone is called in the graph based. In the graph theory, we call nodes. I hope you remember that graph theory in the school days, college days. Nodes we can say. Now the connections between are there, na connections. These connections we call edges, my edge. The connections we call edge. This is called edge. This is one edge one. This is edge one. This is edge two. Edge three. This is called edge. Edge two. Edge two. And this is called edge 3. This is called edge 4. This is called edges. Edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, edge 4. Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4. Very simple. Hey Kumar, how are you? Yes, Maheshwar. Agentic AI. Agentic AI. This is a good question, ma. Agentic AI and agentic framework. Very, very simple, ma. Agentic AI nothing but a concept. Concept. The concept I want to improve, right? Somewhere, some platform required, right? That is called what, ma? Platform. So this, suppose you are learning the physics. You are learning the physics. And you need to implement your physics problems. Where you will go? Physics lab you will go. Physics lab. Similarly, I am learning what is agentic AI. What is agentic AI I am learning. Now I want to do something, and that something where I can do, that I can do where LangGraph. LangGraph is the platform. It is a platform, that's the framework, and this is the concept. Clear, Amma? Edge means connection. One connection to another connection. This is the agent. What you are seeing is the round shape is called agent. What you are seeing round shape is called ma agent. One agent to another agent should talk, na? They both should talk, right? That's why it is called what, ma? Connection. Now, this is my information. This information will pass to everyone or not? This information will pass to everyone or not? Yes or no? Say yes, batao. Yes, yes, batao. This information, where is the information? The state. Now the state will go to the next level. 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 Yes or no, ma? Yes, definitely it will go, because state is nothing but wait. What is the currently going on in my mind? So definitely the state will move to everywhere. State will go to here. Then here also one state will be updated. And state will go to from here. The state will be updated here. The state will be updated. And here also state will go to the next agent. And again state will be updated. Again state will be updated. That means this guy will pass the information to here. Then state will be updated. Now next updated state will come. Next updated state will come. State updated. State updated means information updated. Info updated. That updated information will go to the flight search guy. Again flight search also will update some information. Again flight search guy also update some information. Like this. Clear, right? Flight search guy also update some information. This guy also update some information. This guy also update some information. So information will move here. Information will move here. And here also information will be updated. Information also will be updated. State updated. That means information updated. See, it's easy, awesome. See, this is now whenever you see in the textbook, you will feel there is no diagram, actual line graph. This is our concept we are representing in the diagram way. Now you know very well. Node means what? Node means different agents. Edge means what? One agent to another agent connection. State means what? State means at current what is the information this guy we have. So now you have the information this here. We have, there are 3-4 ways now here. Like first one is what ma? State. First one is what ma? State. What is very, very important? Second one is what ma? Node. Third one is what ma? Edge. These are the very, very important as of now. So far clear ma? Can you please confirm the chat? That's why the name is called cyclic ma. Yes. That's why the name is called cyclic graph. That's why the name is called cyclic graph. So now this class, first we'll focus on, now we will focus on how graphs will be created. How graph will be created. How graph will be created. We'll focus only on this. There's no hurry. We will learn how a graph will be created. Suppose I want to create A to B. I want to create A to B and then B to C information passing. Suppose I want to create this graph. First we'll focus only on this. Okay? Then you will understand. Cycles nothing but chains only, you can say. Like that one. Yamini. But why we are mentioning cycle means the term means feedback. Feedback. Feedback is important. Going back is important. Going back. And every connection is there, na connection. Every connection also you can say chain on. Every connection also, that is called edge also you can say chain on. Chalo ma, we'll move to Python code now. You'll understand the Python code. See, it is a very, very, people will feel like that it is a complex framework. But not home cursor students. Because you understand the diagram, you can able to create the Python code very easy now. You can easily understand. Python code is very, very easy. Getting some confident ma? Please confirm the chat. I need at least 20 answers. Please confirm the chat. This LangGraph series you will enjoy a lot. We will learn very, very slowly. Ask me if you have any doubts. The basic doubts you will clear if you attend my classes, ma. If you attend my classes, open your Google Colab. Open the Google Colab, ma. Open Google Colab. Yes, ma, is the first lecture, Vishnu. This topic, after this session, you will feel like that more confident. I'm able to develop a LangGraph graphs. That confident you can definitely build. It will come. Because you understand the story, you are able to draw this graph very easily. Now we will just replica of this in the Python code. That's all. Please open the Google Colab. Welcome to Colab. In the down, there is a new notebook is available. Click on the new notebook. Yeah, feedback only. Do the message info. information updated, everything will be available. So here now, focus on develop the graphs using LangGraph. That is our focus. Okay, first class, LangGraph. Next class, we will take the real-time use case. Same like display, the travel planner use case, and we will implement it. We'll implement. Okay. So now that's why we are going slowly, because I'm not directly implementing. If I directly implement, you will lose the momentum. You should get the confidence. That's why you should develop the graphs. Okay. That is the plan. Tell everyone. First step number 1, install the package. Pip install, type it ma. Pip install LangGraph. Pip install LangGraph. Run it. Pip install LangGraph. Run it ma. You are able to copy, just check it ma. I'm just copy pasting also. You are able to copy, just check it ma. I pasted in the chat. Can you try to copy and let me know you are able to copy or not? Able to copy, very good. No. Some people are able to copy. Some people are not able to copy. Not required as exclamatory symbol. HJS for. You are getting error message because of that is a warning message. It's okay. If people are getting this kind of message, it's absolutely fine. If you are getting this kind of message, it's absolutely fine. Himanshu, Pradeep, and Trishta. It's absolutely fine. No issues. Now onwards, you need to say yes many times. So everyone able to install, please confirm the chat. So it is correct or wrong? Again, we are going to here import LangGraph. Karoma? Import LangGraph. Run it. If it is coming a green color mark, then no error. Error is absolutely fine, my Himanshu. Type this. If you are not getting any error, it's okay. Anyone new in the here today workshop? Can you please raise your hands? Who are the new today? Balu is new. Are you doing ma? Those who are new, is 21 members, 24 members. Are you doing ma currently? Can you please confirm the chat? Doing ma parallelly? Very good. If you face any error, let me know. Open Google Colab ma, Hussein. So you can just type simply Google Colab here in the search box. Then the first line will come. Welcome to Colab will come. Welcome to Colab will come. You need to click on this. Then the new notebook will come, a new notebook. You need to click on that new notebook. Then a new notebook will open. The first line is pip install LangGraph. Thanks, Malila. And second one is really appreciate new people. Really appreciate that you are doing that. Is great. And second line is import a LangGraph. Chalo, ready now. The very important thing is we need to initialize the state. Now we need to initialize the state. So we call this is called state graph. What we call state graph. So I told now here what is the first point is there. The first point is my state. Exactly go with the diagram. Exactly go with the diagram. Okay. The first step is state. So we need to go with the state graph. For the state graph, we need to import the state graph from LangGraph dot state graph import state graph. You can say dot graph import state graph. Just run it, you will get it. So every line I am copy pasting. So those who are able to copy somehow manage it. Those who are not able to do, it's okay. Don't do the spelling mistake. I will wait. GG double GG dot graph import state graph. Because the frameworks will not available directly. Import means somebody created, we are importing. Suppose Bhagya, yes case tends to. Suppose Bhagya is asking that why we are importing, sir. Imagine that Bhagya, you are the employee, you are one employee, you are the employee, you created one idea, that idea is you want to give to me. That idea you want to give to all the public. Somehow they want to use. If you say orally, Omkar sir, just use it means I can't use it. Na? If you just say that just verbally, just message me, just you are messaging that Omkar sir use karo means I can't use, right? Something I need to install, something I need to download, something I need to connect, right? Something pakka I need to do or not? Bhagya. And that is called what in Python we call import. In Python we call what we are importing. We are importing Bhagya code. What is the Bhagya code she developed? LangGraph she developed. That's why that import is coming. There are so many submethods will be there. In order to learn this submethods and everything, you need to attend the course, because in the small point of time we can't cover everything, because this is a very big lesson. What is from, what is dot, what is method, everything. That is Python related stuff. Do you know Python, Bhagya? Do you know Python? Like I told, same way, our course will cover everything. Again, I am passing 10 minutes or 10 seconds. You can join in this. Admin will come to you. Anshu, you already in my class only, na? You already an employee of my, you already a student of my class, right, Anshu? Anshu, we already done the packages concept, right? In the class itself. We already done the packages class, right? Again, you are asking the simple question, Anshu. Why we install means, you know, right? We need to install, right? Yeah. There are two questions, ma. Yes, all this will be completed. All this will be covered in this course. Yes. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. And you can contact to admin, ma. You can contact to admin. Admin already in active. And next one is how the state can be used in the production. The production करने के लिए you need to wait till next class. In next class, you will understand. If I say now, you will not understand because you need to be hands-on. How production will be going to the production base. Hands-on required here. Then only you will understand. And we are just now started only 2 lines of code only. We started only 2 lines of code. Till we did not updated the state itself. We did not move the state itself. We did not move the state itself. Okay? So don't go that much big. Go slowly, slowly. Go slowly, slowly. Yeah, state graph. State graph is exactly the information what you are providing. That is called state graph. In the graph, the state is there, right? Here, state is there, right, Krishna? State means what? What's going on in my mind? So I need to provide some information to this guy, right? What is that my information? What is my name? What is my age? And where I want to go? This all information I need to provide, right? And that information nothing but what? State graph. That information means what? My state graph. No, it can be go to the production, Raj. Okay, that I will show how it will go. Don't worry. Okay. Got it, Amma Krishna? Chalo. Now you are getting the state. What is the state graph mean? First of all, what is the state graph means? Everyone, can you tell me what is the meaning of state graph, ma? It just tell what? What is my state? Simple. What is my state? What is my state? That's all. What is my state? Now, what is the state indicates? What is my current information? You can say. What is my state means? What is my current information? What is my current information? Current information. Like Raju said, it's a kind of a database. You can imagine. It's a kind of a database. Now, as of now, I am providing my information like this. My information is the name. My information is the name. Name is equal to home cursor. Home cursor. And I want to go to place. I want to go to place. That is called Paris. Like just a database. Now, slowly, slowly, this database will be updated. That means slowly, slowly, the state will be updated. Clear, ma? Please confirm the chat now. State means just information. You are talking with me, I am talking with you. You are talking with me, I am talking with you, right? Your brain is storing some information or not. That is only state. Simple. Now, tell me one thing, ma. Tell me one thing. Now, the state will be used for every agent or not? The state will be used for every agent or not? The state will be used by every agent, correct? That means we need to create a function. Now here, let me think like that. I want to create a graph like this. I want to create a state graph like this. First A person will come, then B person will come, then C person will come. First A information will go to here, information will go to here. Now I want to create A state. I want to create a B state. I want to create a C state. So this person will do some task. This person will do some task. This person also will do some task. This person also will do some task. And every person need what? State. Every person need what? Information. Need information. Need info. That's called state. Need info. Need info. That's called state. Here we are not updating any state. Same state only we are taking. For example, need info. That's called state. Every one is one task is there. Everyone need what? Information. Everyone means what? One state is required. Let's confirm here now. Now I have how many agents are available with me now? Tell me. How many agents are available? 3 agents. How many are available? 3 agents. What is the agent's name here? One agent name is A. Another one is B. Another one is C. The information A to B is going and B to C is going. And everyone need what? Everyone will do one task. One task. And everyone need state, information. Info. That's called what ma? State. And everyone will produce also. Everyone will produce also some information. Everyone will produce some information. That means again they will produce what ma? State. So they need information, they will produce information. They need information, they will produce information. Is that clear ma? Is that clear ma? They need information, they will produce information. Very good. Chalo. Now we'll create the empty state. We'll create the empty state, suppose. We'll create the empty state. That is equal to, I am writing a variable called graph equal to my state graph. Here I am providing a dictionary because information will pass through the dictionary ma. Information will provide using a dictionary. Like how ma? Like a square, like curly braces. Name is equal to Omkar sir. Like this it will provide. So my name is equal to Omkar sir. So dictionary only is a very apt suitable data type here. Is that clear? Again. So state graph is empty now. That is only the dictionary. Same state also we can send and state also can update it. You tell me real time scenario. Now one question is coming ma. Same statement center. So both are possible or not? Same can I send and state can be updated or not? That's only common sense, no? State can also update it. See, I am telling one information to you. You are passing that information to your brother. That is possible. Now I am sending the information. You are adding extra information. You are passing to your brother. That is also possible. So two kinds of possible or not? That is only just a common sense. Both can possible. Yeah. So this is done nama. Graph done nama. Please confirm the chat. Run it. Do it. Very good. Now again repeat with me. How many agents are there ma? A comma B comma C. Everyone will do what ma? One task. Everyone need what ma? State. Everyone produce what ma? State. Okay. Can you everyone type task state state? Can you type ma everyone? Can you please type in the chat? Everyone will do task. Everyone need state. Everyone will produce what ma again? State. Can you type like this ma? Task state state. Then only I can get some confidence. You are able to do. Very good, very good. Chalo, we'll create a function. Definition task A. Definition task A. So create a function ma. This guy need what ma? State. This guy need what ma? State. I'm just printing. I'm not updating any state ma. I'm just printing. Printing. Running A. Now first who is running ma? A is running. So working A is working. A started working. A started working, you can write. A started working and A some information. A return the some information. That is called what my again? State. So A is doing one task. A need a state. A return a state. Here I am not updating any state ma. Here I am not giving any information. I am not updating any information. I am just focusing on how to create a graph. How to create a graph. Now there are three people are available. The three people should be means three different functions. So first task, second task, third task. Task B, B started working, B need information, B produce information. Now task C, C started working, C need information, C producing information. It's very easy ma. Let me know once you are done. Let me know once you are done ma. Very easy. In the graph theory, very good ma, super ma. I need more answers in the chat. I need more answers in the chat. Very easy it is. Simple. A is one person. He need a information. He produce the information. He need a information. He produce the information. He need a information. He started. He producing. Taking. Started. Producing. Simple. That's why you need to learn the course, ma Venkat. Okay. That's why you need to join the course. In one day you can't learn, na? If I go attending some many, chemistry lab any day, I can't learn in one day, Rama, Venkat. In 1 hour we cannot learn that chemistry lab, na? So different people, different in the professional, so they will spend some time. But you're understanding the flow or not? That is important. This video is available in YouTube, ma. Don't worry. Balu, later you can type it. This video you can available. You understand the flow means you are able to learn Python. Python is very simple language. Okay. Understand the concept is important. Python anyone can do. Python anyone can do. It's a very simple language. Again, I am repeating, ma. If you are interested to join in this course, and again you can join in this WhatsApp group, admin will call you. Super. Chalo, so far good, ma. Can you please confirm the chat? Say yes. Now, in our graph theory, listen very carefully. In our graph theory, this is called node, ma. What is called, ma? Node. Yes or no? This is called node. In our graph theory, this is called what, ma? Node. This is also called what, ma? B also called what, ma? Node. C also called what, ma? Node. Everyone is node. So now we need to create the node. Now you hire the people. Now you are giving the task to them. Now let's create the node. Now all three roles are done. Now just hide them. Graph dot add node. Graph dot add node means I'm just hiring a person. Person name A. This is your task. I'm hiring one person and I'm telling this is your task. I'm hiring another person. I'm telling this is your task. This is my company. I'm adding an employee. A company adding employee A and providing task. Like that we can say. A company hiring an employee and providing employee A. Employee name is A and providing a task. Like that we can assume this easy way. Graph.add node A, graph.add node B, graph.add node C. Task A, task B, task C. That's the job description. No code to pro code. No code means you don't know code, and pro code means Python code only, na? Prasad. Without coding only you want to do? That is different, Srinivas. Acha, you're just asking. But are you enjoying the session or not? That is important. See, don't worry about Python. Don't worry about Python. Understand the concept. Python third class students also started learning. Now we also can learn. And Python is very easy. And today what I am teaching is very, very complex framework. And that complex framework also you are able to understand. That is, you need to appreciate yourself. Everyone in the workshop, those who are attending. And you will feel like that something I am going to create. Because that is the agentic in the future. It's a very, very small steps, you see. First we started the information. You should not by heart the syntaxes. You should understand the flow. What is the state graph? State means information. Simple. Now how many agents? Three agents. What they are doing? One task. What they need? Information. What they are producing? Information. That's all. They're taking the task and they started working. They're producing the information and B started working, producing the information. Now I want to hire the people. A company means what? Graph. Hiring means what? Adding node. Employee name is what? A. And providing what? Task. Simple. Everything you should learn like a story, ma. Then you will get a confidence on the concept and then you will do. Now, students, now nodes are created, ma. Now connection should give or not? What is this connection from here to here? What is this name is called? What is this name is called, ma? Bolo, we learn this name. Edge. Very good. Super. This is called edge. Now Prasad will say easily here. Prasad, Bhagya, those who doesn't know Python. Now here node add करने के लिए add node मा. Edge add करने के लिए क्या करना मा? Edge add करने के लिए क्या करना? Add edge. That's all. Add edge only. Once you understand the concept, is very, very easy. So write the syntax by your own now. Graph dot add edge. Edge किधर से किधर? A to B and B to C. A to B and B to C. Simple. See, if you understand the concept, you are able to do. That's understand the concept. Focus on the concept. Getting Ama, those who are asking Python related questions. We did not give any information, Nama Yamini. I told I am not providing any information. I am not updating any information. Here my state is empty. Here my state is empty. I am not giving any information. I am not giving any information. I am not updating any information. I am not any information. I am simply passing what? Empty information. I am simply passing empty. Here my focus is what? Only creating the graph. The focus of this now half an hour is only creating a graph. After creating a graph, we will provide what? Information. Like that we are learning slowly. Yes, we can do that. Ibrahim Khan. Only 2 edges on required, man. Nikita, correct. Now, in the graph, you need to mention who is the starting entry point, ma. Who is the entry point, ma? A na, B na, C na. In this point, who is the entry point? A na, B na, C na. That is also we need to mention. Very good. So next one is what, ma? Graph dot set entry point. Set entry point. And that entry point is what, ma? A. That entry point is A. Simple. Easy code, ma. Add node, add edge, set entry point. Once you will do the use case in the next week, na, you will feel like that, so confident, because today you are able to understand the concept and you are able to draw the graph also. So far, good, ma. Please confirm the chat, ma. Everyone is good so far? Again, I need at least 20 answers. Super. Now let's visualize the graph. Let's visualize the graph, ma. So application equal to graph dot compile, ma. Dot compile karo, ma, and app karo. Graph. Then you can able to see A, B, C like this. Beautiful view will come. I want to create only this A to B to C only. First go learn slowly. Then you can do the research. How can I go A to B, B to D, like that? Getting ma? Anshu. First understand the concept. Then do the research. Anytime, always remember, when you are learning any new concept, you need to learn like A for apple onwards, you should learn. Not like directly, I want to create apple. Okay, that is the way of learning in the subject, any subject. You need to learn, start slowly. You need to understand each component. Then you need to start making working that base thing. Then you need to unlock. Everyone able to view the graph, ma? Get coming up. Yeah, see, this is super, na? This mistake, I think, Ranjan, you did. Task B. Now all together I am giving. Those are getting error. Now you are able to see. Now you are getting some confidence. If I provide the information, something will happen. That kind of thing you are feeling or not? That's why you need to learn start slowly, ma. That's why you need to learn start slowly, and we can create the complex structures. It is not a one-day session, ma. It is a very important framework. It is. People are asking in the interviews this framework. It is not one day you can't learn direct attack. You need to understand the theory, you need to understand the flow, because you are able to understand the graph very well. That's why you are able to understand the Python code also somehow. It's okay, you are not able to write, It's okay, that's absolutely fine. But at least the code you are understanding also. The code flow. The code flow you are understanding. At least. That is the biggest beauty. Learning is later, ma. Learning, writing this entire code is later. But here each part also you are able to understand. You are using this framework, ma? Yamini, wow. That is only, ma. That is only our use case, na, ma? Ocean Pasha. Now, everyone able to understand this flow, ma? Now, first what we are doing, tell me. We are creating a empty information. What we are giving? Empty information. I'm not putting any information here. Empty information. Now, how many agents are you are dictated, ma? Tell me how many agents now? Agent A, agent B, agent C. Each agent need what, ma? Information. Each agent need what, ma? Information. Each agent started working here and producing here and producing here and producing the again updated information. Produce the updated information. Information working produce. Now this add A to B set entry point, automatically internally only the information will move, and the graph is only the proof here. First the information will come to the A doing some work, and it's going to B doing some work, and is going to C and C. If you want to go to again back also, you can go like this also. So far good, ma? Can you please confirm the chat, everyone? Please confirm the chat, ma. Bole SSS batao. Super, ma. Super. Now I hope everyone understand the LangGraph basic. It is not a fully professional here. LangGraph basic. First of all, what is LangGraph? LangGraph basics. And everyone got some understanding, understand about graph theory means. Graph theory means, correct? Now third one is, you need to say yes, ma. Everyone understand the 3 points: state, node and edge. So this is only the main agenda of today, the workshop, ma. This is only the main agenda of today workshop. And next workshop means next Sunday we will add the LLM. We will do the complex graphs. We'll do the complex graph. We will add the LLMs. We'll add the external tools. We will make complete agentic framework. We'll make the complete agentic framework, ma. Please confirm the chat, ma. Those who are done, your responsibility should confirm the chat. So if everyone enjoy the session, ma. Interesting for next session? Ready for next session, ma? Ready for next workshop? Yes. Super, ma. And this workshop is available in YouTube. I will share the YouTube link also. If you are not able to get the YouTube link, and you can know whom to connect, admin you need to connect. But I need one help, ma. In order to encourage Omkar sir, kya karna? At least like and comment karna. Then only Omkar sir can reach many people, na. If you are Omkar sir can reach many people, so that I can come with good use cases from starting to professional, and with completely hands-on. completely hands on. Like and comment karna. Chalo ma, thank you so much. See you for the next week. Love you all.